Hey guys, my name's Doug with Infotainment.com. Today we're working on the 2019 and up new body Chevy Silverado. Today we have an exciting upgrade for you guys. It's the factory OEM LED bed lights. So those of you who have a tonneau cover, maybe a cap, a shell, a topper, and you want that extra light in the bed of your truck, you're gonna wanna get bed lights. Now you can go aftermarket or you can go factory. We carry 100% factory LED bed lights. I think you guys will think it's awesome. It's very easy to install as well. Once you install it, you have two options to program your vehicle. We partnered with obdgenie.com for a simple plug and play programmer, which will program your body control module for the feature. Or of course, you can go to your local GM dealer and have them program it as well. But today we're gonna show you how easy it is to install. We'll show you step by step. So let's get started.
All right, so today we got a super simple install. We're just gonna be throwing in a couple of bed lights on this Silverado. To do that, you're gonna need a T15 Torx bit for the taillight screws, little panel tool of some sort, flathead screwdriver also work, and I like to use a little mini flathead for the wiring connector inside, but I'll show you that when we get in there. You're gonna start by removing both of these taillight screws. Don't lose them. Taking your taillight, just pulling straight back. And for demonstration purposes, I will be removing this, but you don't necessarily have to. You could kind of set it on the side, kind of dangling by the wires, as long as you're mindful of the body, but I'm gonna just pull it off. It's easy enough. You have a couple of security tabs on your connector for that taillight there, and your, I believe that's the reverse bulb. Yep, and the reverse bulb. That's all the connections that you have on your taillight. And you're gonna be left with your bed light wire. So simple install, all we gotta do is pop the caps off from the inside of the bed. All right, so working inside the taillight cavity, you're gonna get your little panel tool, and on the bottom of your cap here, that's where the clip is, you just push up on it, and that should release that light cap. You can push that out, pull it out of the bed. Once you pop that little cover off, you wanna grab one of your bed lights. These are identical, so it doesn't matter which one you use. What makes it a little bit easier is if you push your little wire out into the bed, then you can plug in your light from here and secure that little red connector, as opposed to just plugging this in and then trying to fish the wire in from the back. But once you push that wire in there, you're gonna wanna slide it in the top first and then push down on the bottom so you engage that clip. So we'll do that now. And if you have a bed liner, you may have to wiggle that bed liner around a little bit so you can fit your light behind there. Sometimes they don't cut the holes in this exactly perfect. There you go. And once you pop that in, you're good to go to the other side. We can put the tail light back together on this side, and we're all set. And be mindful of all the wires that are back here. There's a couple of pins in this tail light that you're gonna line up with some holes on your truck side. Make sure that the wires aren't getting pinched in between there before you push this through and start piercing the wires. Once it's lined up, you can put your T15s back in. That's another good indication that if you're lined up properly, these holes will not be lined up with your truck. All right, let's jump to the other side. Do the same thing. So on the passenger side here, let's do the same thing we did on the driver's side. All right, and there you have it. Bed light installed. Now you can light up the night with your new bed lights.